Friends, we Indians have always valued time. Our elders taught us its precious nature. But in today's world, time feels more elusive than ever. Jobs demand long hours, traffic steals our minutes. We dream of spending time with loved ones, pursuing passions, or simply relaxing. Is it possible to break free from this cycle? To reclaim our time? A new movement says yes. It's called FIRE, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. This isn't just a Western concept. It's a powerful idea gaining traction right here in India. Imagine this. You wake up without an alarm clock. No boss, no deadlines, just a day open to your desires. You could be sipping chai in the Himalayas, learning classical dance, or spending precious moments with your family. This is the promise of FIRE. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about taking control of your financial future. It's about making your money work for you, so you don't have to work until you're 60. Now, retirement doesn't mean sitting idle. It means having the freedom to choose what you do with your time. Maybe you start that business you've always dreamed of. Perhaps you dedicate yourself to social work or travel the world. FIRE empowers you to design your ideal life. This might seem impossible, especially in India. We have family responsibilities, social obligations, and a rising cost of living. But remember, every journey starts with a single step. And the first step towards FIRE is simple understanding your relationship with money. Many of us live in a cycle of earning and spending. We work hard, earn our salaries, and then spend it all on bills, rent, and lifestyle expenses. FIRE encourages us to break this cycle by focusing on two key principles: saving and investing. We've all heard our parents and grandparents say, "Paisa bachao," save money. They understood the importance of having a financial cushion. Saving is the foundation of FIRE. It's about making conscious choices today to secure your future tomorrow. Start by tracking your expenses. You'll be surprised how much money we spend on things we don't really need. Can you cut back on those expensive coffees or impulsive online purchases? Even small savings add up over time. Remember, saving isn't about deprivation. It's about prioritizing. What truly matters to you? A new car every few years, or the freedom to retire early? The latest gadgets, or the peace of mind that comes with financial security? Make your money work for your dreams, not someone else's. Saving is essential, but it's only the first step. To grow your wealth and achieve FIRE, you need to invest your savings wisely. The good news is, India offers a plethora of investment options to suit every risk appetite and financial goal. Traditional options like fixed deposits, FDs, and Public Provident Fund, PPF, provide stability and decent returns. For those seeking higher growth, the stock market, mutual funds, and real estate offer excellent opportunities. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Remember, the key is to start early and stay invested for the long term. The journey to FIRE may seem challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. It's about reclaiming your time, pursuing your passions, and living life on your own terms. So take that first step today and start building your path to financial independence and early retirement.